Why does your optometrist simply increase the prescription strength of your glasses every year, effectively admitting that his treatment plan is to watch you go blind slowly? He does it because the eye care industry is built on the concept of vision correction, not vision restoration, ensuring you remain a customer of lenses and contacts for life. They want you to believe that presbyopia, cataracts, and macular degeneration are just the inevitable result of having more birthdays, like wrinkles or grey hair. They want you to accept that the blurred text on your phone and the halos around streetlights at night are signs that your eyes are dying and cannot be saved. This is a medical deception designed to sell you expensive laser surgeries and plastic lenses while ignoring the nutritional starvation that is destroying your retina. Your eyes are not failing because of time. They are failing because they are being cooked by blue radiation and starved of the specific pigments that act as their internal shield. You do not have bad eyes. You have macular pigment deficiency and retinal oxidative stress caused by a modern environment that your biology was not designed to handle. The medical industry treats vision loss by putting a crutch on your nose, which actually causes the eye muscles to atrophy because they no longer have to work to focus. When you wear stronger glasses, your eyes get lazier, requiring an even stronger prescription next year, creating a downward spiral into blindness. I'm going to show you how to rebuild the internal sunglasses of your eye, sharpen your focus, and protect your retina from the digital assault. We are going to use a specific orange flower extract that acts as a biological shield and a red spice that improves blood flow to the tiny vessels of the optic nerve. No LASIK surgery that slices your cornea, no painful injections into the eyeball, and no acceptance of a world that is slowly fading into grey. To understand the cure, you must understand the blue light hazard that is frying the back of your eye like an egg in a frying pan. Your retina is the most metabolically active tissue in your body, demanding massive amounts of oxygen and energy to process the light that enters your pupil. In the center of the retina is the macula, the sweet spot responsible for your sharp central vision and your ability to see colors vividly. But the screens you stare at all day, your phone, your computer, your TV, emit a high-energy blue light that penetrates deep into the eye and hits the macula with radiation. This blue light generates massive amounts of reactive oxygen species, ROS, free radicals that literally rust the delicate photoreceptor cells until they die. When enough cells die, you get a diagnosis of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, the leading cause of blindness in the world. Your doctor ignores this cause and tells you to wear sunglasses. But external sunglasses block the beneficial light your body needs to set its circadian rhythm. You need internal sunglasses, a layer of pigment that sits right in front of the macula and absorbs the blue light before it can do any damage. These pigments are lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are found in high concentrations in the petals of the marigold flower. When you ingest these pigments, your body instinctively transports them straight to the eye, where they accumulate in the macula to form a yellow protective shield. This shield absorbs up to 90% of the dangerous blue light, preventing the oxidation that leads to blindness. Clinical studies have shown that supplementing with lutein and zeaxanthin increases macular pigment optical density, MPOD, directly correlating with sharper vision. They improve contrast sensitivity, allowing you to see objects clearly against a background, which is essential for driving at night. But you cannot get enough of these pigments from a standard diet unless you are eating 5 bowls of kale every single day. You need a standardized extract from marigold flowers that provides at least 20 milligrams of lutein and 4 milligrams of zeaxanthin daily. But protecting the macula is only half the battle. You must also rescue the optic nerve from the pressure that causes glaucoma. Glaucoma is often called the silent thief of sight because high pressure inside the eye slowly kills the nerve fibers without you feeling a thing. To save the nerve, you need the red spice that has been revered in Persian medicine for 3,000 years. Saffron. Saffron, the stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower, contains crocin and quercetin, potent antioxidants that are neuroprotective for the retina. A groundbreaking study in Italy showed that patients with early macular degeneration who took saffron pills improved their visual acuity by 2 lines on the eye chart. That is the difference between passing your driver's license test and having it revoked. Saffron works by increasing blood flow to the choroid, the layer of blood vessels that feeds the retina from behind. It also prevents the death of the retinal ganglion cells, the specific neurons that are destroyed in glaucoma. When you combine Marigold extract, the shield, with Saffron, the neuro-protector, you are armoring your eyes against the modern world. But there is a third player in the vision game, the lens, which becomes cloudy and hard, leading to cataracts. Cataracts are caused by the oxidation of the proteins in the lens, turning them from clear to opaque, like the white of a cooked egg. To prevent this cooking, you need the pink algae, known as Astaxanthin, the substance that gives flamingos and salmon their pink color. Astaxanthin is the most powerful antioxidant in nature, 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C at quenching free radicals. It has the unique ability to position itself across the cell membrane of the eye cells, protecting them from both the inside and the outside. It also reduces ciliary muscle fatigue, the strain you feel after staring at a screen for too long, which causes blurred vision. Japanese studies have shown that Astaxanthin significantly improves the ability of the eye to change focus, accommodation, in middle-aged people. So the reverse doctrine for eyes is a triad of pigments: Lutein, Zeaxanthin, Marigold, crocin, Saffron, and Astaxanthin, algae. But you must also stop the glycation that is making your lens stiff and brittle, leading to the need for reading glasses. High blood sugar binds to the proteins in your eyes just like it does in your skin, making the lens hard and unable to flex. This stiffness is called presbyopia, and your doctor says it's just old age. But it is actually sugar stiffness. You must eliminate processed sugar and fruit juices to stop the caramelization of your eye tissues. Diabetics go blind because sugar destroys the tiny capillaries in the retina, retinopathy. You are doing the same thing slowly with every soda you drink. You must also exercise your eyes, just like you exercise your biceps, to keep the muscles strong and flexible. The 20-20-20 rule is a start. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to break the digital spasm. But you should go further and practice focus shifting. Hold your thumb close to your face and switch focus between your thumb and a distant tree. This trains the ciliary muscles to contract and relax, preventing the atrophy that leads to dependency on glasses. Your ophthalmologist will laugh at eye exercises, claiming the eye is fixed, despite the fact that it is controlled by muscles like every other part of your body. He laughs because he sells the crutches that make the muscles weak. He ignores the nutritional science because there is no patent on a flower petal or a spice rack ingredient. But we have seen people reverse early cataracts and improve their vision to the point where they no longer need reading glasses. We have seen the progression of macular degeneration stop dead in its tracks, saving the central vision of grandparents who want to see their grandkids. The eye is a resilient organ that can heal if you stop the radiation, stop the sugar, and provide the pigments. You have the power to protect your sight and maintain the independence that comes with clear vision. Do not accept the diagnosis of inevitable decline when you are starving your eyes of the nutrients they crave. Do not let them laser your cornea until you have tried to feed your retina. The solution is in the orange flower, the red spice, and the pink algae. Build the shield, protect the nerve, and clear the lens. This is the reversal of the blindness doctrine, and we do not accept the darkness. We see clearly.